Hello and welcome to Diaspora Insurance House. My name is Gilbert. We're coming to you live from Birmingham, where we are hosting Diaspora Insurance House, the Zimbabwe Achievers Awards press conference. There's going to be a very important announcement that is going to be made today by the Zimbabwe Achievers Awards UK. By the way, these awards have been running for more than a decade. They are the premier awards for the Zimbabwean community in the UK. And hosting them today at Diaspora Insurance. This is the red carpet. This is the reception for Diaspora Insurance House. It's their massive global headquarters which they acquired quite recently. So just follow me. We're going to see where we are in terms of preparations for tonight's event. Many thanks to my camera person. Her name is Laurentia. You are allowed to smile, they can't see you. So this is the red carpet. This is where people are going to be walking to their whole venue down there. And I'm going to try and see if I can talk to the organizer for the event, and that is the ZAA UK country director. Her name is Tafi. She's really a fantastic person, a good events organizer. I'm going to try and see if I can. Right. Yes. Hi Tafi. Right. We are live. Say hi to our viewers.
Hi everyone.
Right. Yeah. So we're coming to you live from Diaspora Insurance House, like I said, in Birmingham. Today we are hosting the Zimbabwe Achievers Awards UK press conference. There's going to be a very important announcement tonight, and I think Tafi will tell us a bit more. Hello. What can people expect tonight?
So tonight, this is when we are going to announce all the nominees for all the categories that we've all had that have been categorized for ZAA. So it's very exciting for us. We've got categories that are on as well, and a lot of winners that are coming up. So it's very, very exciting.
Excuse me, we are live. You can talk, but not too loudly. Yeah.
So we are very excited. New companies have come on board, and we're also still looking for sponsors. So if you're out there and you know how well you're doing, if you're out there and you can sponsor us, would love to hear from you as well. So please come on board.
Yeah. And very quickly, the Zimbabwe Achievers Awards have been running for more than a decade now.
Yes.
And they've expanded from the UK right across the world.
We're doing the 14th edition this year. So in the UK.
In the UK.
In the UK.
Right.
Yeah.
And in terms of the UK alone, what can people expect when the awards happen? That's in May this year?
It's on the 17th of May.
Yeah.
So we're opening the nominees very soon, straight after we've sort of like announced them today. We'll give you a date when we are opening the voting, and then you guys would love for you to vote. And if any of the companies that you know that are not on internet or they're not present on any social media pages, and you know they're doing so well, please give us a call. We'll give you our details, yes, and then you're welcome to nominate them for next year. Please do, because I know there are a lot of Zimbabweans in here in the diaspora that are doing really well. We want to hear from you.
Thank you, Tafi, and thank you for joining us from wherever you are across the world. And one of the exhibitors we've got tonight are people who are doing Biltong. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm all right, thank you.
Tell us about your Biltong and why people should buy yours instead of...
Well, ours is authentic. It's got the authentic African taste. I say this because in the UK there's a lot of other biltong and in supermarkets, and that's got a completely different taste. Okay. And that's one of the reasons why I started making my own biltong. Authentic African taste, African spices, 100% British beef.
Okay.
Yeah, very few additives. But also it's got the nostalgic taste if you've ever tasted biltong from Zimbabwe.
Brilliant. So how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for 2 years, from experimenting, finding the recipe. Now I'm trying to push it out there to our diasporian crowd.
Yeah. And where can people find you if they want the product?
So we're on website, stundu.com. Or you can find us on TikTok as well, Biltong and Jackie. Or you can go to number 50 Victoria Street in Wolverhampton. We've got a shop there, you can buy the biltong.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for coming tonight. And I've tasted your biltong, the spicy one is really good. Yeah, that's the biltong, Situndu, is it?
Situndu.
You can find them online. Next, we're going to talk to people who are hosting us today, and that is Diaspora Insurance. And I can see Mr. Albert Nkosi is the Business Development Manager for Sadi Business.
Yeah, that's correct.
Right. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Right. Can you just briefly tell our viewers about Diaspora Insurance? What do you do?
Diaspora Insurance, mainly we are headquartered in Birmingham, right? What we do, our core business mainly is to support the families that have lost their loved ones through our cash payout, so that to make their life very easy in terms of meeting their final expenses. As the name suggests, Diaspora Insurance, we have seen that most of the times diasporans face some challenges in as far as death is concerned. Sometimes when they want to repatriate their loved ones back to Africa, or even if it's a local burial, they find it very difficult to do that because no one has the money in their pocket. If I can ask you right now, how many of you here, or do you have 10,000
Why do you want to know how much money I
It's because every now and then when there is death, it involves a lot of money. And at the end of the day,
societies and things like that. What is the advantage of using Diaspora Insurance instead of going through the burial societies or those community assistance schemes that we normally do?
yes, actually the advantage of having Diaspora Insurance covered, it is a well-regulated product. Tomorrow you may not find something that says you run away with the money. At any given time, it takes less time even to get that money in order for someone to be assisted. But now if you look at some benevolent funds, burial societies, they've got too many risks. And sometimes you may not find that person who's supposed to be giving that money to the bereaved family. So it is riskier to be in a benevolent fund or to be in a burial society compared to Diaspora Insurance. Within 24 hours of death, the person they would have received their payments so that they can carry on with the
Now, Albert, one of the you talked about the problem with burial societies and people running away with contributors' money. There is a huge problem with that of people getting scammed. How can people be confident that with Diaspora Insurance they are dealing with a credible, solid, and established player?
Yes. Actually, we believe that Diaspora gives a peace of mind. We are registered with Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom, and we are also registered with Financial Services Compensation Scheme. Right, meaning that there's no way an individual can actually run away with their money. So at any given time, this will give them a peace of mind. The process involved in the registration has got serious scrutiny at the end of the day, so that when we are registered, we are able to mitigate the policies that govern financial conduct. Yes.
And I'm aware that the business has been growing a lot. You don't just cover Zimbabwe, you now cover up to 20 nationalities. Do you just cover them in the UK or wherever they are possible?
Actually, the beauty about this product of ours, not only do we cover the people in the diaspora, but you can also cover your loved ones back home in Africa. As you may know, that most of us, we have got a lot of extended family members. So this product also, it can also cover those people that are back home, despite those that are in the diaspora.
Okay, thank you very much. We're just coming to you live from Diaspora Insurance House in Birmingham. We are hosting here a press conference. They've got an important announcement to make, and we're just talking to some of the people who are exhibiting their companies and their products here. Before we go to the event live, the people I'm going to talk to next is the chairperson of the good evening, how are you?
I'm very well, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. So this is not the actual awards for this year.
Yes.
It's a press announcement.
Yes.
Yeah, but in terms of what plans you have for ZAA going forward, what can you tell our viewers?
So we take pride in recognizing and celebrating Zimbabwean excellence. And we acknowledge that we need to strengthen our governance processes and make sure that we are functional. So to that end, we have appointed country directors.
Okay.
We want to continue to have a global presence because we realize that Zimbabwe is never short of intelligence. Everywhere you go, there is pride in terms of the competence, proficient of Zimbabweans across sectors, whether it's arts, it's philanthropy, or whatever else.
Yeah.
So we quickly realized that we need to remain competitive and effective in terms of delivering our mandate, which is to celebrate and recognize anything Zimbabwe. We've done collaborations with various organizations, corporates, to support this cause. And we're truly grateful of that. And it's a rich symbiotic relationship which we build. And we want to accelerate that energy of having more and wider sponsorships.
Doc, thank you very much. We'll be hearing much more about what ZAA are doing this year and for the years to come when the event actually starts. Next, I am going to be talking to another company that is also helping connect the diaspora. That is Mukuru Money Transfer. My friend, hello.
Hello.
We've met many times.
Many times.
Many events.
I was wondering when you would pass by.
I had to finish with you. So, right, Mukuru, yeah, tell us about what you do and why you use
Well, first of all, Mukuru is a Zimbabwean baby, born out of security details. So it came out of the reason for the unique challenges of transacting with both connecting the diaspora and primarily in Zimbabwe. Then ventured out into countries. So we have about 20,000 paid and payout patients throughout and 1,000 origins. I call it. So we come up with various products, paid and payout, international and local. So just think about instead of you transacting many times, you have a pseudo wallet just send money, you can load money into and pull out money as a your one.
I mean, that's the idea, try to
It's a proposal.
So we are talking about one of the companies that are helping connect to home. We know that in terms of diaspora remittances to Zimbabwe, annually there are more than 2 billion. And these guys are one of the companies that are helping us to achieve that. So from here, I'm just going to go and show you the room where we are supposed to be. So actually, if you could just come here and follow me. As you can see, it's well set up. It's really good. Does it not look good? Are you happy? Yeah. So this is where the first point is going to come from. In just about 30 minutes or so. So what we're going to do is we will be stopping this live broadcast for now. But don't go away, stay close. We will be coming back shortly with the live event when it starts. My name is Zimbabwe. We're coming to you live from Diaspora Insurance house. If you're not here, I don't know where you are and why. But you won't miss it because we'll broadcast it. Thank you very much to my camera person, Aisha. You can see here, she's very excited. We'll be with you again in about 15 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Broadcast will resume shortly, yeah?
So as long as picture doesn't focus, because exposure can influence the exposure.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so as long as the picture is focused,